Looking for a custom look on your fence or gate, but not the custom lead time and cost? Let's check out your options for add-on decorations. Hey everyone, Jason from Iron Fence Shop. If you're looking for a way to personalize your Stronghold Iron or Infinity aluminum fence without something being custom built, our add-on decorations are a great option. It's been a while since we did a video on them, and we've added a new option, so it seemed like a perfect opportunity for a new video. We've cast these add-on decorations for use with our Stronghold Iron and Infinity aluminum lines, so please be aware we only sell them to go with our fences and gates. That way we know that they'll fit. We'll go through these individually, but let's take a quick run through the 6 different add-on decorations. Here we have our oak, then dual heart, Cape Cod, guardian, butterfly, and ring options. With the exception of the steel ring decoration, all of the other pieces are cast aluminum. They're built or cast with an indentation on them that will fit over the pickets on your fence or gate. The pieces are then secured to the panel by using a supplied self-tapping screw to attach them. The pieces will come loose in the box like this, and you will fix them when you install your fence. The indentation is sized to either work with the traditional grade 1/2 inch pickets or the signature grade 3/4 inch pickets. Now let's take a closer look at the decorations individually. First up is our ring set decoration. There are 3 steel rings per set with a tab welded between them where your self-tapping screw will go into the picket. The rings are 3 3/4 inch tall, and the full ring unit is 12.875 inches wide. Next up is our oak decoration. This piece is cast aluminum and 15 1/8 inches tall by 7 3/4 inches wide at its widest point. Each oak decoration will be secured by 2 self-tapping screws. This little guy is our butterfly decoration. This piece is cast aluminum and unique from the other decorations in that it requires only 1 self-tapping screw and is the only decoration size small enough to fit on every picket of your panel or gate. The butterfly decoration is 3 5/8 inches tall by 3 3/4 inches wide. The first of our scroll style decorations is the Cape Cod. This cast aluminum piece is 13 3/4 inches tall by 7 1/4 inches wide at its widest point. Each Cape Cod decoration is secured by 2 self-tapping screws. Next up is our guardian decoration. This cast aluminum piece is 16 1/2 inches tall by 6 3/4 inches wide at its widest point. Each guardian decoration is secured by 2 self-tapping screws. Our last decoration is our newest one, named Dual Heart. This cast aluminum piece is 16 1/2 inches tall by 6 1/2 inches wide at its widest point. The Dual Heart decoration is secured by 2 self-tapping screws. Hopefully this video has helped give you a good visual for the look and size of the add-on decorations that you can use to put your own personal touch on your iron or aluminum fence and gate. Be sure to check us out here at ironfenceshop.com. We'll have a new video coming soon on how to plan out your decorations, but in the meantime, check out this older video we did showing the decorations on some example panels. If you have any other questions, you can shoot us an email at sales@ironfenceshop.com or give us a call at 800-261-2729. We look forward to hearing from you.